Right now, while Air India is what's happened is that another flight has been turned back. This is AI 388. This is Air India 388 Delhi, Vietnam, which turned back mid-air. The reasons of the technical snag have not emerged yet. Emergency slide. We know that emergency slide of the aircraft was expired. Also, the gas canister which makes the slide deploy had also expired. And this has been discovered mid-air somehow. Harsha joins us live on the broadcast, getting us all the latest update. Harsha, while we see on one hand the Air India CEO is telling that there was a check that happened 2 years ago. Major check happened, AI 171 2 years ago. The other checks have happened recently. And as we speak, there's another update of a flight that has been reverted back mid-air.
Yes, Rakshita, there has been a message from CEO Campbell Wilson just a minute ago where he was stated, where he has mailed each and every passenger of Air India by stating that inspection has been done. We are following inspections. There's no technical snag. Cancellations are happening because of the closed airspace. But this particular aircraft information we broke in the afternoon. It was the Delhi Vietnam flight of Air India which turned back mid-air. And Rakshita, it was a major concern. We were speaking that time also. The major concern with the flight was that this aircraft was unfit to fly. That pilot in command told the ATC mid-air, and after 1:45 this particular aircraft departed from Delhi. After 20 to 30 minutes back, it made a U-turn mid-air. While it was airborne, it came back to Delhi in 45 minutes. Now we are getting to know that the major technical snag in this aircraft was that the emergency slide of this particular aircraft was expired. The gas canister, which is important to deploy the emergency slide, that was not working. Imagine the emergency door has a slide, and whenever there's an emergency situation, once the emergency door is opened, at that time the slide automatically opens. And in this case, the slide of the emergency door had completely expired.
And why, Harsha, it happened? It is discovered mid-air is the question. The even worse thing is that it is being discovered mid-air. Like, that's something that we find our heads to wrap around our heads. It's very difficult to understand what's the logic of these checks happening mid-air. The flight has to be called back. Thank you so much, Harsha, for joining us with that update coming in on the aviation crisis in the country.